I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to test the loudspeaker comparison between the IQ7 versus the OnePlus 9R. So this is a video which I'm trying to do after updating both phones to the latest version. So as you can see friends, right now I do have the OnePlus 9R and is a IQ7 device. So both phones are updated to the latest version, and a lot of users they did ask me this kind of question. So which phone is the best in terms of the loudspeaker after the update? Is there any kind of improvement or not? So that is what this complete video is dedicated for. So is a small meter which is available. As you can see, I'm trying to place exactly in the middle. So before starting the test, let me try to quickly show you friends the settings what I'm trying to use in this complete video. So you can find in the sound and vibrations, you can find the Dolby Atmos option, as you can see friends. So in the OnePlus 9R you do have that kind of feature where you can enable Dolby Atmos. So I'm trying to use the music because right now I'll be playing the music, so that's why I'm trying to use. And whereas in this IQ7 device there is no such kind of option which is present right now. So let me try to open the sound and vibration. So as you can see, this is a sound option. So there is no option to increase or change the effects. As you can see, there is only earplug customization is available right now in this IQ7 device. So there is without earphones and without Bluetooth you cannot customize the audio in this phone. So here's the audio file which I have got here, and this is the customization which you can do once you connect your earphones or Bluetooth earbuds. So these are the customization, but you cannot access in the loudspeaker mode. So let me try to quickly start playing the audio one by one so we can test which phone has better audio output. So as you can see friends, I am trying to place exactly in the middle only this kind of speaker. This is a speaker test. So let's see, let me try to start the audio playing one by one, and I'm trying to increase the volume little by little so you know exactly what is happening, how the volume is increasing. As you can see friends, clearly I think the loudspeaker it went up to only 84 decibels and 85 decibels. So that is the maximum decibels I got in this phone. Now it's time to test the OnePlus 9R. As you can see friends, clearly the results which are really amazing in this OnePlus 9R in terms of the loudspeaker, you're getting close to 89 decibels of loudspeaker quality, and in the IQ7 you're getting about 84 decibels, 85 decibels. So there's not a huge comparison if you ask me definitely friends, but there's a little bit kind of differences there between both phones in terms of the loudspeaker volume. So now let's test the loudspeaker one by one. I'll try to play alternate so you'll be able to understand which phone has what kind of volume result. And you can definitely feel the volume is quite better on this OnePlus 9R device, as you can see friends. So in terms of the audio output, that's really amazing. So now let's test by closing the bottom speaker. Let's see the top speaker how much audio will be audible. So this is the audio coming from the top speaker friends. So let me try to test the same thing with the OnePlus 9R as well. So in terms of the audio output, I do feel the bottom speaker, the OnePlus 9R has got more effect than the top speaker. As you can see, both phones are same thing. So this is a quick comparison, friends, in terms of the loudspeaker speed test. And in case if you want this kind of punch hole wallpaper, so make sure to check the links in description. There's a link for the wallpaper playlist, so you can find the links in description below. So this is a quick review, friends, and comparison, and overall the result is OnePlus 9R absolutely a clear winner. And thank you for watching this video, and for more interesting videos, make sure to check the links in description. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.